We are going to protect the gate. I need you to count every time you touch a pillow or toy.
Rule 1, use your closest hand. Do not reach across your body. Use the hand closest to the toy. If you slide and touch with the right hand, that's 1 point. We need 15 points. Get ready to count.
Watch me. I start in the middle.
Standing tall. When I yell, stance, I drop low. Then I slide, touch with my closest hand, slide back. I'm a windshield wiper, back and forth, but I never cross my feet. Got it? Stand tall in the middle. Get ready.
Round 1. We need 5 points. Stand tall. Wait for it.
Stance. Good. Are you low? Ready? Go. Slide, touch, back. That's 1 point. Slide the other way. That's 2. Closest hand. That's 3. 4. Keep that bottom down. Slide and touch. Don't cross your feet. That's 5 points. Freeze.
You are moving so well. Come back to the middle. Okay. Round 2. The wind is getting faster. We need 5 more points. Stand tall in the middle. Be a statue. Stance. Hands up. Defend that tennis baseline. Ready? Go. Slide. Touch. Slide. That's 6. Slide. Slide. 7. You look like a superstar defender. 8. Fast feet. Keep going. That's 9. Closest hand. 10. Freeze. 1 more time. Whew. Nothing is getting past you. Okay, back to the middle. Final round. We need 5 more to win the gold. Show me your speed. Stand tall. Listen carefully. Jelly bean. Did I trick you? Stay tall. Don't drop for jelly beans. Stance. Good job. Ready? Go. Slide. Touch. And that's 12. Don't trip. Keep feet wide. 13. Almost there. 14. And last one. 15. Whew. That's 15 points. Time is up. The gate is safe. High five.
Game on!